What's up everybody, and oh my goodness, nice to see your smiling faces every time I come here. Nice. Actually, that thing, I cannot see your faces, that's the thing. Anyway, that makes me happy in the first place, so that you are here. Alright, anyway. So, now you might see something different, isn't it? Now I can freely move my hands over it, and no microphone. Where the hell is the large BY-M1 microphone went? Alright, so I actually didn't tell you guys because I was using this shotgun microphone. I didn't use it actually. I didn't do an unboxing video or a review of that. I hope you can hear me, right? I think, yeah. Might be. You might hear me or you might not. Who knows? I hope that you can hear me. Can you hear me? Great. This is here right now. It is an unbranded microphone. Which is actually not into the standard level, but it is I hope it is good, but it sounds I don't know. You tell me how does it sound, and let's see. Probably I came here to give you a good news because I have something interesting which is not even touched yet. This is for every YouTuber, every starting beginning YouTuber who need a lav mic, which is great, but for low price. For beginners, this is the thing that you should go. So let's get into the box. Alright, my knife. Alright, so let's do the unboxing. Okay. We have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have it. This is the product that you and I always waiting for. Good. Actually, this thing, I really want this for a long time ago. I was hoping for taking one of these, but didn't have a chance to buy it, so now it's cheap. It is like $23 or $24 or something like that. And yeah, I saw a lot of videos about this. This sounds great. Let's try it. I mean, why should we just do an unboxing? This is not that even the unboxing. Alright, so cut this part, go inside, let's dig in. Whoa, that is interesting. Okay, we have a user manual. Okay, we don't need that. We have a warranty card. That's great. I'm gonna keep this. Look at this. Oh my goodness gracious, this is good. I mean good. Look at that. Look at the pouch. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at it. You can see the Boya in the pouch, and this feels good, man. This really feels good. Okay, we have the things inside. Whoa. Oh, I say like a gel. Oh, never mind. Okay, so in here you have what do you call it? What do we call it? It's an audio adapter or something like that, or something else. And you have the foam. You have a foam here for wind, to resist the wind, and you have a small battery inside also. Alright, great. Look at this. This is great. Oh my goodness. I mean, the way they have tied this cable is the genius. Look at that. That's great, isn't it? Goodness, that's great. That is something we need. Oh my god, look at the. I think I just did something which I shouldn't do at all. Okay, so it is quite long. How much long is it? Alright, so this is Oh my god, I'm not a good cable manager, so I might get just quite interesting. This thing has a 3.5mm headphone jack. That is something that I never see on a microphone. So if you can remember the BY-M1 microphone, the 3 rings is something which is really interesting. I mean, you know, that's good. That's good for me. So it has a very steady clip here. Oh my goodness. It will take a quite grip of your thing, you know. So let's uncable the cable.
A few moments later.
Alright, done. We have the body. Do we call the body? We have the body of the microphone. Wait, what? Oh, got it. Got it. So here's the thing. There is a mode of camera. In this microphone, there is a mode of camera and off/smartphone switch. So you can toggle this on and if you're using a camera. I'm not using a camera. If you are using a smartphone, you can directly input this, or you can just wait. Actually, this is a side note that I'm just telling you because it just came into my mind. I record audio separately and I then sync the video and audio. So if I'm going to try with this, record audio separately, that might be something that I have to think about. Let's see what would happen when I sync audio. So I'm going to off this microphone for it, and I need to just do my thing. Great. All right. Will it pick the mic? Will it pick my voice? Okay. Just ignore the cable management here, right? All right. So let's see how it sounds when I use this.
Alright, so I had an issue of recording this audio separately at that moment, so I just recorded in the next day. So this is the audio test from the Boya-M1 microphone, right attached here. So does it sound great or does it sound rubbish? Leave me a comment. This is the actual sound when you connect this one directly to your phone using the camera smartphone mode. So let me in the comments, and okay, just continue with the video. Great.
I need to see will this work on the other way around, so I can use to sync this with the other thing, right? Ready?
Oh my god, it just worked. This is the audio test. This is the audio test when you are hearing from the Boya-M1 microphone. So leave me a comment. I use many microphones in my life, actually 3. That's quite good for me. But I use the BM800 microphone, which is a huge mic, which always distracts
my movements of I use my hands more, right? I use to tell the story for you. I thought of, okay, I need to do something for that, so I just addressed that problem. So instead, if you're doing YouTube, and also I will put the link in the description for this, go and buy this. This is super cool, with the case, with the pouch, actually with the warranty. That's the thing, with the warranty card. This is going to be good, probably. Sure, make sure. So leave me your comments. Leave me in the comments, is this good, or that shotgun mic I was recording earlier was good. Just put in the comments, so I will make sure that I look there. That's been it, and thanks for watching. It's been a pleasure to meet you guys, and make sure to subscribe if you already haven't subscribed, and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And again, I have to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.